Hindi ya mugururio uria ugutongoretio ni maabitha a borithi tauni-ini ya Molo umerekeirie nyumba-ini imwe tauni-ini iyo na kuhithukia kuria njohi iria irekuirwo ni Mũratina irugagirwo.
Manufacturing ile tumepata hapa ni Mũratina, na Mũratina yenye tumepata total yenye unmanufactured yenye bado iko under process ni 1260 in drums ya 210 liters. Around 6 of them ilikuwa being manufactured, na kati ya hizo drum ingine tena tukaendelea na inspection tukapata drum ine ya 210 which gives us 860 processed Mũratina.
Kamanda wa borithi mwena wa Molo Timon Odingo uria ugutongoragia birigicani iyo augite ni meguthie na mbere na gutabania miungururio ta ino tauni-ini ya Molo.
Tunahimiza watu kama watakuwa wanakunywa pombe wasikunywe pombe yenye ijaangaliwa. Hizi pombe yenye mnaona inafanywa juu ndio inaumiza watu yetu ya Molo. Tumekuwa na outcry, pombe inaendelea kuumiza watu na vijana na watoto, na mkiangalia hapa hakuna mahali imeonyesha ya kwamba watoto under 18 are not allowed.
What I'm going to promise wananchi, the multi-agency team is in place and the crackdown is going to continue.
Oritie ahuri a biashara a wendia wa njohi gutigiriria mari na marua ma wendia wa njohi na oho gutigirira ni marendia njohi iria njitikirie.
Hii manufacturing anafanya haina license. Ya pili, the hygienic condition ya hapo tumekuta ni very bad.
We are going to ensure that people take quality substances which have to follow the processes of proper manufacture.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Molo kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, ni njitagwo Joel Kimani wa Njuguna.